Morning, morning, everyone. How are you all? You look fabulous. Yes, I am thankful for you, and I'm thankful for all those delicious eggs you provide us with. Yes, thank you so much. What are you all thankful for? Oh, makes sense. You're thankful that you're not turkeys? Got you, got you. Very much so. All right, yes, I'm coming in with food. What? Yes, I am coming in with your morning breakfast. Calm down, just wanted to say good morning. Yes, we do have a new family member, you noticed. What do you think? I think he's gonna be a great addition too. Yes, his name's Skywalker. You like him? I think he's super cute. Welcome, Skywalker, our newest family member. He is a Catahoula Leopard Dog. Brindle in color, right there, buddy. Skywalker. He's still learning lots of new things, but this is our new family member, everyone. I hope you can all welcome Skywalker. He was picked out by our official pet picker, which is FroChelle. She always picks the best additions to the family. And this little guy, we found him at the Humane Society, waiting to be part of our beautiful family. Weren't you, Sky? Yeah, you were? Okay, all right. Yes, you were. Yes, you were. Yes, I am working on his training. No, he won't be like Panini with her chicken issues, so we say. Anyway, hey, Maybelline. Oh, you look so beautiful. And you too, Mr. Cocoa Puff, extremely handsome. What? Wow, yes, it has cooled down quite a bit, and it's gonna be getting a little cooler, so just FYI for you all. Yes, just a bit. Okay, I'm coming in. All right, getting our feed. That one apparently got a little wet in the bucket there, got a little clump. Well, but it's not molded. We're gonna feed it, so it's good. What you doing, Skywalker? He's like, I'm gonna help you make this feed. Help you get this feed ready. Let's do this, buddy. Because they are ready. Yes, they are. Oops, might have overfilled. Let's see. Shake. Oh, sorry, Skywalker. It's okay, buddy. Startled him with the bucket shaking. He's got to get used to these sounds, though. It's okay, buddy. Good boy. No, leave it. Leave it. You know what? This is what you have to do to be able to get in there successfully without being almost attacked. Yeah, that. I just come over here and drop some food over here. Droppy. Sling some back there. Now, with them distracted, I can go in. Morning, morning. Yes, we're gonna try something new today. A little bucket sling. There. Look out. There. Enjoy. Yes, I gotta get back out here and see what our newest family member right there jogging around is doing. Okay, I'll be back later. Come here, Sky. Sky, come. Sky, come. Good boy, Sky. Good boy, buddy. Yes. Good boy. Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? Eglatina, you look fabulous as always. Yes, Mr. Cocoa Puff, how are things? I guess things are great in your world. I mean, there's a lot of lovely ladies, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, well, whatever. Anyway, hey! How is everyone? Lula, you look great today, girl. You look fabulous. Your color's just brilliant for fall. Brilliant! Yes! I love your fall attire. Oh yes, winter white. Isn't it lovely this time of year, Maybelline? Yes, girl, you are working it. I love it. Okay, anyway, yes, I do have a snacky snack, as a matter of fact. A little special treat. Yes, just for you. And you, and you, and you, and you. Yes, everyone in the neighborhood. By the way, I'm super excited about that new movie. Yes, yes. Hello?
You've been talking about. All right, so we had some leftover trays leche that we're gonna bring in there and feed these ladies. I know, I see you right here. She's like, yes, love on me, bring me some snacks. All right, Mom, you said you're gonna throw some feed in there.
I'm just gonna toss little feet on this side so they won't crowd the gate, because if they rush out, Panini's gonna have breakfast.
Oh, okay, sounds good. So throw a little feed in. You always sprinkle a little feed in so that we can get through the gate without them trying to rush us. All right, all right. Hey, Ricardo, here are our ladies and our one rooster in there, but we're gonna feed them. Oh, what do you got going on? Okay, so we got some leftover tres leche. What are these little tomatoes? We got some lettuce, all kinds of good stuff.
Taco
Ooh, that
shells
looks
crumbled up on the
fantastic.
bottom.
Got some wonderfulness. All right, happy pre-Thanksgiving.
Yes, let me in
ladies.
there. Let me
Hold
in there.
on,
Look
watch
at
out,
this.
watch
Look
out.
it.
Look.
Oh,
yeah. They are loving it. Yes. So when I say we always come in here and spoil our chickens, like we legitimately do, and that's why they're normally hollering at us. But you see how quiet they are when they're eating? Exactly. But look at this rooster. Now that he is distracted, look at those feathers. He is gorgeous. But yeah, so my boyfriend made this fantastic tres leche cake last night, and yeah, we're feeding the leftovers with some veggies to our ladies and our one gentleman back over there. Yes, there's Coco Puff.
My camera was in your shot, was it?
They are absolutely loving it. No, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Oh, I see you fixed the swing, Mom.
Yeah, but I think it needs to have a bigger stick.
A bigger stick for 'em?
And it needs to be lower. Let's face it, they're big girls.
They are big girls. These are
Yeah.
big girls, Mom. But yeah, so when we say we spoil our birds, we totally do. All right, I can't even see the plate. What are you guys digging?
Oh, wow.
Sorry.
Right through it?
right through it. Who is this with these big old puppy cheeks?
Oh, that's Lula.
Oh, that's Lula. Oh my gosh, girlfriend, look at that. Oh, excuse me, sir. He's like, you're bothering me, touching my ladies. All right, I'm getting out of the way.
No, he's very gentle though.
Does he like love?
Yeah, you can touch him. He won't just rush away.
Oh, okay. Hey, Coco Pop, come over here. It's the first time I got you away from the girls. Everybody can see you. Oh, he is a big guy, Mom.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Coco Pop, look at you. I just want to take you. Hold on. Don't run away. I'm just trying to. He's like, no. He's like, no. Whatever you try to do, the answer is no. Going on. Okay. You guys are killing that in there. Oh my goodness, they are just loving it. So shout out to my boyfriend for the delicious tres leche cake because the birds are loving it.
Woo! It is chilly out here this morning, y'all. Let me tell you. Morning. Oh my goodness, I have never seen my coop like this before. Look at all that water. We had a tornado warning this morning. I have never heard of anything like that before in Pinal County, this part of Arizona. But yes, this morning we had a tornado warning until 5:15 a.m. And the rain has stopped momentarily now, so I've come out and I'm feeding the birds, but I have never seen this much water in my coop before. That is a lot. But everyone's doing fine. Everyone's doing well. They've got their nice covered area over here, so they're all good. As you can see, they're not soaking wet, which they would be if they didn't have any cover. But everyone's doing well. They're enjoying their breakfast now. But wow, the rain. We got to take a look at some of the stuff out here as well. Nice big puddles everywhere. Everywhere. And there's our new family member, Sky. Sky, come. Sky, come. Come on, Sky. Good boy, Sky. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, Sky's a good boy. Okay. Come on, Sky. Let's go show him around what's happened. Look at everything. Look at all that water. Yes, that Sky is running in. Yes. Lots of water. The garden got plenty of water for sure. It's fantastic. It is very chilly out here right now, as you can imagine. I'm just happy that I got a break in the rain to come out and take care of my flock, get them all fed, watered. They're all good. So now this tub here was up here. It blew off. It blew off down there. All the chairs over there are knocked over. Back up in here, they all blew over. Everything kind of blew over. A little bit of a mess back there, but yeah, wow. What a day. The day after Thanksgiving. Wow, look at that. We're getting it. We're getting that rain that we should have got over the monsoon season. The driest monsoon season, but now we're getting it. All right.